I'm in a factory in Melbourne and we're just cleaning fiberglass roofing to allow the customer to have more light in their property, so they have to use less power, and also so they can see things clearer and generally contribute to well-being. So this is as it is. I've already sprayed the chemical up there, and I'll show you from the top side in a minute. We'll be starting to use a hot water to clean the paneling so we can allow more light. Show you the results as we go. So folks, we're almost done here, but show you the power of hot water at pressure. You can see I'm not damaging the roof in any way or form. You can imagine how much more light is going to come through down below. Especially on these factory roofs, the pitch of the roof is so gentle that these fiberglass roofing sheets are much more likely to get dirty than your average pitched roof. So it's just one of those things to keep on top of it, maintain it. You can see all that dirt, look at that, just flying off. There we go. Okay, so we'll just give it a general rinse down and go and have a look downstairs. So here we go, these are the results. Our customer's very happy, and we've got a lot more light. Bear in mind I'm working later in the day, so it's not like the sun's come out or something. This is just, it's an overcast day, and we've got a lot more light in here. So I hope that's helpful to you, and if you have a fiberglass roof that we can help you with, give us a call, the number on the website, or send us an email. Hope you enjoyed the video.